Well, over the years I've tried to implement newer technology and newer programs into my office. Usually about every couple of years. We brought in lasers a few years ago. We brought in CEREC. And this just seemed to be a good extension of that technology to provide my patients better services. And also I didn't have that much of a background in occlusion and was trying to put the joint in the right place without probably all the tools to do that. Well, I've learned a much more muscular basis in establishing joint position, and also learned a lot about the influence of the TMJ and the musculature in migraines, headaches, TMJ, and how essential it is to put all of those at ease prior to doing any restorative treatment. I also found out a lot about myself during this program because I've been in 4 automobile accidents, played a lot of rugby, soccer. I see a physical therapist about either once a week or once every 2 weeks for neck and shoulder pain. And even though I've been a dentist for 25 years, I really never even put 2 and 2 together for myself. So it's pretty amazing, very powerful.
I felt similar to that I'm a very active person, and being, albeit on the younger side of a practicing dentist, it's amazing that what I felt was normal turns out there is some things that could be changed, and I think there's a lot of patients that we see on a daily basis that could be in a lot better place than where they are now. And to get there isn't an invasive thing, isn't a tough thing, it's a very easy thing to do, and the education and the proof behind it is very easy to understand.
Pretty much it'll become the basis of our practice. And obviously we want to treat some migraine patients and help all of those people out there, but I think I've been putting the cart before the horse for a long time, and now I think this will establish a baseline and allow me to do better restorative dentistry. I would say go for it. I don't think you can go wrong.
Absolutely. It will only give you more predictable results in your everyday dentistry.
And last thing, what do you think about our instructors, Dr. Montgomery, Dr. Amy?
Both phenomenal, and all of your staff has been phenomenal. The follow-up, the phone calls, the lead-in training prior to the meetings. The meeting was the best organized meeting I've ever been to, and the training was the best organized training I've ever been to. So, phenomenal.
Awesome.
Yeah, absolutely. It's been great. The intimacy between the instructors and the students, if you will, has been great. Anytime questions needed to be answered, it's obviously been right away and easily understood and easily put together. Very well put together.